Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 DJ headphones. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Number 1. Best Overall Headphones. Audio Technica ATH M50X. The Audio Technica ATH M50X tops our list as the best overall DJ headphones. As the most critically acclaimed model in the M series line, the headphones feature large aperture 45mm drivers with rare earth magnets and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils. Its sonic performance, praised by top audio engineers and professional audio reviewers, provides an unmatched experience for those looking for studio-quality headphones at an affordable price. The drivers and headphone design work together to produce a frequency response of 15 Hz to 28,000 Hz, providing you with a sonic signature that's tuned flat for exceptional clarity throughout an extended frequency range, along with a deep, accurate bass character. Supporting plush sound isolation pads, the headphones feature a circumoral design that contours around the ears for excellent passive isolation in loud environments, ensuring you're able to hear every bit of its exceptional clarity throughout its extended frequency range with deep, accurate bass response. Combined with its closed-back design, the headphones are perfect for long sessions in the recording studio or on the go. Not to mention, it also has a collapsible design for space-saving portability and features 90-degree swiveling ear cups for easy one-ear monitoring. Enjoy more durability and comfort with the earpads and headband constructed from professional-grade materials. As a bonus, 3 detachable cables are provided with the headphone, including a 3-meter coiled cable, 3-metered straight cable, and a 1.2-meter straight cable. A protective carrying pouch is also included for storing the headphones. With all these amazing features, it's no wonder that these headphones are a top choice for studio tracking and mixing, as well as DJ monitoring and personal listening. If you're looking for the top option available, the Audio Technica ATH M50X is it. Number 2. Runner-up V-Moda Crossfade 2 Wireless. The V-Moda Crossfade 2 Wireless is the runner-up on our list, featuring powerful dual-diaphragm 50mm drivers with copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils engineered in Japan. The headphones produce audio that can please even the most discerning audiophile, with clean deep bass, vivid mids, and a wide 3D soundstage. Enjoy your music as if it were live and in certified high-res audio when the headphone is used wired. Never feel tethered to your device again, with up to 14 hours of wireless playback on a single charge, and up to 4 hours of playback with 30 minutes of fast charge. With its industry-leading Bluetooth range and multi-device pairing, you'll find it easier than ever to switch from your computer to smartphone and back again. Its strong, yet flexible metal core headband and large memory foam cushions provide superior comfort and noise isolation, giving you the perfect and most comfortable fit for hours on end. Tested with the strictest durability standards, the headphones are as tough as they are smart, with intuitive controls on the right ear cup that let you control playback and audio without even touching your device. Pack up and protect your headphones with ease using the patented Click Fold hinge, which let you fold the headphones into the included exoskeleton carry case. Maximize your packing space and gain easy access by clipping the case to your travel bag with the carabiner clip, and unleash your creativity and personalize the headphones with options to laser engrave or color print your own logo or design onto aluminum shields of a variety of colors. Additionally, the headphones come with the Speakeasy 1 button mic cable for easy communication, and offer optional extras including the Boom Pro microphone, the Speakeasy DAC amp lighting cable, and the audio-only cable to suit your needs. If you're looking for an option with an abundance of features, the V-Moda Crossfade 2 Wireless is sure to please. Be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for the most recent prices. Number 3. Best Value Headphones. Sony MDR7506. The Sony MDR7506 is our pick as the DJ headphones with the best value. These professional stereo headphones are ideal for virtually any application where high-quality sound is required, including sound monitoring in recording studios, radio, film production, video, and more. Its neodymium magnet provides excellent power handling, and its 40mm drivers deliver high-quality sound with a wide frequency response between 10 Hz and 20,000 Hz, letting you enjoy crystal clear highs, present mids, and an extended low end for accurate monitoring, and provides performance exceeding the requirements of digital audio sources. Featuring a closed-ear design, the headphones provide both comfort and outstanding reduction of external noises, and its comfort is further enhanced with generous headband padding. This extremely high-quality, unobtrusive, lightweight reference headphone has been engineered to be comfortable to wear for extended periods. It sports a rugged design that's been proven to be reliable in the toughest of situations. And its folding construction offers compactness for easy storage when the headphones aren't in use. Whether you're the performer, the engineer, or both, its 9.8 feet coiled cord provides more than enough slack for working in a studio without removing the headphones, and features gold connectors and a professional quality oxygen-free copper cord, which provide reliable and stable signal connection and transmission. Additionally, the included stereo uni match plug gives you the option of using the headphones in both 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch applications, while a soft case for protective storage is also included. If you're looking to get the most bang for your buck, the Sony MDR7506 won't let you down. Number 4. Best in-ear headphones. One More Triple Driver. The One More Triple Drivers are a selection as the best in-ear headphones for DJs. Equipped with 3 drivers, these headphones take advantage of 2 balanced armatures and a separate dynamic driver to deliver an extremely accurate listening experience with unsurpassed dynamic power and clarity from deep bass to sizzling highs. And are expertly tuned in collaboration with internationally acclaimed sound engineer Luca Bagnardi to produce a precise representation of the music the way the artist intended. As the world's first THX certified headphones, the headphones have undergone rigorous testing to ensure they reach the highest audio standards in the market, and offer listeners with balanced, quality audio with special attention to frequency response and its consistency, low distortion, and exceptional noise isolation. Comfort during use is one of the most important factors, and these headphones have been designed with oblique angles to provide extra comfort and a more secure fit. Enjoy hands-free and crystal clear phone calls with its built-in MEMS microphone, ideally located below your jawline, and take advantage of the inline controller with 3 haptic buttons that offer convenient controls for making calls, controlling volume, and adjusting tracks. Constructed with a lightweight aluminum alloy body with an anodized surface and an enameled copper wire wrapped in Kevlar fiber for increased durability, the headphones are built to travel and built to last. Additional accessories include multiple silicone tips, an airplane adapter, shirt clip, and a hard carrying case. If you've got your sights set on an in-ear option, definitely check out the One More Triple Driver. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video. Let us know in the comments what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 5. Best Budget Headphones. Audio Technica ATH M50X. The Audio Technica ATH M50X is our recommendation as the best budget DJ headphones. As a great introduction to the critically acclaimed M series line, these headphones sport a durable design with cutting-edge engineering and robust construction with high-quality materials that combine to deliver a comfortable listening experience. Equipped with 40mm drivers that use rare earth magnets and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils, it's no wonder why online reviewers, top audio engineers, and cult followers agree that these headphones are an unmatched combination of audio and build quality that gets the job done. Its circumoral design features contours around the ears that provide excellent sound isolation in loud environments. Its closed-back style is optimal for reducing sound bleed and separating you from outside sounds, and its ear cups have a 15-degree swivel in both directions to ensure a great fit. The headphones are tuned for enhanced low-frequency performance, providing faithful sound reproduction and making them an excellent choice for tracking and mixing. And with a frequency response of 15Hz to 20,000 Hz, the headphones can reproduce a full spectrum of tones. Additionally, the headphones include a snap-on 6.3mm adapter for easy connectivity with audio interfaces, mixers, and dedicated headphone amplifiers. And the headphones offer a convenient single-side cable exit, ensuring its 3-meter straight cable doesn't get in the way during recording or mixing. On top of that, the headphones come at a very affordable price point, making them a popular tracking option for multi-station studio sessions. If you're looking for an affordable option that gets the job done well, the Audio Technica ATH M50X is a great choice. That's it for our list, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.